this is Crypto CJ, and welcome to today's trade of the day. Today, I want to discuss ladder buying. During yesterday's video, I mentioned this as a way to potentially save a trade that's gone against you and to even make more money when doing that. I sort of alluded to it, and I didn't really develop that idea as I was focused on a different strategy in yesterday's video. I have talked about ladder buying before, but it's been a few weeks, so let's get into it tonight. Let's take a quick look at iCoinPro's Buddy Coin Crawler. As you know from, again, prior videos, this is one of my favorite tools to use to find trades. And here we go. This morning it looked pretty similar to this. I was interested in this coin, Alpha Finance Lab, Alpha USDT. And you can see it's got a really nice average low to SMA score here of over 14%. A lot of room to move. This coin's been very volatile the last couple of weeks. I've traded it a couple times already. So this was Monday night when I first looked at this coin. And as I've showed before many times on Buddy Coin Crawler, it's got a drop-down menu to Trading View. I've already marked up a Trading View chart, so let's look at it. So on Monday night, this is what I'm looking at. It was around 7 o'clock at night. And this, I should have looked at this closer, but I thought I had a 1, 2, 3 dip here, and this first dip actually occurred in the squeeze portion of the chart. Technically, this is the first dip right here, so it was really a 1, 2 dip, and I got in a little too soon. So I got in here. It's actually 4 in the afternoon at 0.1425 cents or 14.25 cents at 4:08 p.m. And the coin rises slightly. I'm aggressive and I seek an exit point. Actually, it was in this range here, this resistance area of just under 16. The coin dips a bit, rises up. I'm up about 4%, but it doesn't really get close to my exit point. And then it goes through another dip sequence. Well, that's no fun. So I had set an alert, as is my usual practice, for 10% below. And my purchase price, and it goes off, my alert goes off here at 1840, so 6:40 p.m. About 2.5 hours after I bought this, I'm down about 10%. So I look at this, and I don't want to jump in for the ladder buy right away. I want to wait till the coin shows evidence of recovery, because it drops a little bit more after the alert goes off. But then I see what I'm looking for. I've got a couple candles here working their way up. So I make my ladder buy at 0.12765, and that's at 7:16 p.m. So now I have 2 positions. I paid the same amount for this position as I did for the initial position. So I've doubled my money, and now my average is right in this range here. But I set my sell point slightly above my initial purchase. So that's going to give me a slight profit on the first position and then a really, really good profit on the second position if it goes as planned. So the coin goes up, down, sideways, and up again. It works its way up to my exit position slightly above my first order, which is 1425. I'm here at 1429. Takes me out slightly after midnight, a little over 6% profit. But that's double the money. So that's like getting a 12% profit on this trade. So we can even measure that out. So I got like about 10.5% profit on this position, and probably a little bit over 1% profit on this position. Added up to 12 divided by 2, 6% for the total trade. that's a good day trade. So the whole sequence takes most of the day from, well, not really, about half the day, from 4 p.m., about 8 hours to midnight. So that's not bad. 6% times 2 over an 8-hour period. So that's how I do ladder buying, especially in a bull market. If the coin is less volatile, if you're doing something like on, say, Ethereum or Litecoin or XRP, one of the more established coins, you may want to set your sell order in between these points and maybe just take a 1 or 2% profit. On a coin as volatile as Alpha, I think this is the play to be made, especially with Bitcoin. It was around between 17 and 18 on Monday night, and is playing the whole market up with it. So that's how I do ladder buying in a bull market. That's all I have for tonight, and I'll see you again next time. Please stay tuned for some additional messages, and I'll talk to you again soon. Thanks. Bye.